The Search for Another Earth, Part 1. If things don't work out on this planet, or if our itch to explore becomes unbearable, this is about what might happen at some point in the future. Astronomers have recently found out what kind of galactic real estate might be available to us. We'll have to develop advanced transport to land there, 20 light years away. But that's for later. The question right now is it worth the trip? The destination is a star that you can't see with your naked eye in the southern constellation Libra, called Gliese 581. It was identified over 40 years ago by the German astronomer Wilhelm Giese. It's a red dwarf with 31% of the Sun's mass and only 1.3% of its luminosity. Until recently, these so-called M stars, like Gliese 581, flew below the radar of planet hunters. They give off so little energy that a planet would have to orbit dangerously close just to get enough heat. Now these unlikely realms are beginning to show some promise, as their dim light yields to precision technologies and to supercomputers honed in the battle to understand global changes on this planet, Earth. Will we begin to detect signs of alien life? Or will these worlds and the galaxy itself turn out to be lifeless? And Earth just a beautiful, lonely aberration? To some, like astronomer and author Carl Schahn, the sheer number and diversity of stars makes it far more likely that the universe is brimming over with life. This so-called many worlds view can be traced back to ancient observers in China, India, Greece, and Egypt. The Quran, the Talmud, and many Hindu texts all imagined a universe full of living beings. In the 16th century, this view got a boost from astronomer Nicholas Copernicus, who believed that Earth is not the center of the universe, but revolves around the sun. Later, Galileo Galilei used his telescope to show that our sun was just one among countless other stars. In the modern era, this view held sway, and thinkers considered what and who inhabited worlds beyond our own. This included Martians, alien invaders, or simple life forms on an evolutionary track to complexity. But other thinkers have been struck by a different view. The Greek philosophers Aristotle and Ptolemy believed that humans and the Earth are unique. The latest variation on this theme is what's called the rare Earth hypothesis. It holds that Earth and sophisticated life were the result of fortuitous circumstances that may not be easy to find again in our galaxy. Does the current search for planets shed light on this debate, sending it perhaps in one direction or the other? So what makes an Earth-like planet? So far, our only good reference for recognizing an Earth-like planet is Earth. It does have some beneficial characteristics. It's dense, it's rocky with a complex makeup of minerals and organic compounds, and it's got lots and lots of water. It's also got a nearly circular orbit around the sun at a distance that allows water to flow. This is the so-called habitable zone, not too close and not too far away. The habitable zone is defined as the range of distance from a parent star that a planet would need to maintain surface temperatures between the freezing and boiling points of water. Of course, that depends upon the size of the planet, the makeup of its atmosphere, and a host of other factors, and whether the parent star is large, medium, like the Sun, or small. Some scientists also believe that we live in a galactic habitable zone. We're close enough to the galactic center to be infused with heavy elements generated by countless stellar explosions, but we're far enough away from the deadly gamma radiation that roars out of the center. It's thought to lie 26,000 light years from the core, approximately where we are, give or take about 6,000 light years. Only about 5% of the stars in our galaxy fall within it. But even out here in the galactic suburbs, there are hazards. Some researchers have linked mass extinctions in the past to the sun's passage through one of the spiral arms, where other sources of dangerous gamma radiation lie in wait.